Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel A Plus Mind. Today we are going to learn something very important for math exams. How to compare proportions in different formats. Now don't worry if it's difficult. By the end of this video, you will understand it clearly. Now let's get started. Firstly, in this, I will tell you what is proportion. That's a comparison between two quantities. For example, 2 boys for every 3 girls, 3 out of 5 students, and 60 miles in 8 seconds. If you completely understand the proportion, then you see my video of the proportion. Now, different forms, as I tell you about, but they all compare two things. And here is the important rule: a proportion can be written in different ways, but its size does not change. Why it is important? The importance of compare proportion in different formats. One proportion is shown in a graph and other is given as a number or ratio. And the question asks which one is bigger. But you can't compare the easily unless you convert into same format. Usually converting to numbers is easiest. Number is easiest. And by the graph, you can show the proportions. Now we will do the example number 1, bar graph accidents by gender. Let's start example number 1, bar graph accidents by gender. So in this example, the bar graph shows the number of accidents for men and women aged 18 to 35 in tabular country for the summer of 2014. The following year, the country released a report that the monthly rate of accident for men in 2015 had been 1.6, 2.3 and 1.8 times women for June, July and August respectively. Of the 6 months reported, when we accident victim most likely to be male. Now, this is the example. Bar graphs showing men, women in June, July, August 2014. Then we are given new information from 2015. Men are 1.6 times, women in June, 2.3 times, women in July, and 1.8 times women in August. As I explained you earlier, 2014 information in the graph and 2015 expression in the numbers. So first, what we do to comparison in the different to compare the different proportions, we will convert the 2014 graph information into these numbers. So for this, what we will do this, determine the proportion of 2014 male accident to female accident from the graph. For June, the ratio, there is a for June the ratio, there is a 350. For the June, ratio is 350, there is a 200. 350 divided by 200. When we divide them, our answer will be 1.75. 1.75. Next, in July, 450. These are 450 and it's a 200. 450 divided by 200. When we divide them, calculate them, our answer is 2.25. 2.25. Now in August, 200. Next is 100. 100. When we divide them, our answer will be 2. Now, compare the calculated and given the value to determine the greatest proportion of male to female accidents. The highest value for this ratio, now we determine. Firstly, we convert into numbers as you show. Because first in the bar graph and second information number. So we convert bar graph information into these numbers. In the June, there is a 1.6, there is a 1.75. In the July, there is a 2.3, there is a 2.25. And the August, it will be 2, it will be 1.8. So the highest value for this ratio in July 2015, when were 2.3 times is likely to have an accident and women. 2.3 times in July. It's more in 2015. Now we do the example number 2, acceleration graph. The question is the following velocity time graph shows the rate of acceleration of two classic muscle cars in which we Pony and Fiberblast discuss. A newer model, the Hummus, is able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour mph in 8 seconds. Now we have a velocity time graph. In the answer, we will do this. It shows the acceleration of two cars, the Pony, the Fireblast. And then we are told about the third car, the Hummus, in the question. It goes from 0 to 60 miles in 8 seconds. The question, how does Hummus compare in acceleration? I hope you understand this question. Now in the step 1, use the slope formula. You know about the slope formula? Our slope formula is rise over run. Rise over run. Okay. Sometimes we say it m. We show it m. And this is actually the acceleration in this question. We also write this just like a rise divided by run. Now change in speed divided by change in time. Change in speed divided by change in time. The Pony, it goes from 0 to 80 mph in 10 seconds. 0 to 80 mph in 10 seconds. This is Pony. The Pony acceleration. This is a Pony 0 to 80 minus 0 to 10 seconds. 10 minus 0. Our answer is 8 mph per second. Now Fireblast is equal to 0 to 70. So 0 to 70. 70 minus 0, 10 seconds. 10 minus 0 is equal to 7 mph per second. Now with the write the acceleration of the Hummus same way. In the Hummus, firstly Pony and Fireblast in the graph, but Hummus in the question, in the numbers. So 0 to 60 miles, it's 60 divided by 8 seconds. When we divide them, our answer will be 7.5 mph per second. So, compare the value to determine the relative speed of the car. The Hummus is faster than Fireblast, but still slower than the Pony. Just like this, if is greater than speed greater than Fireblast, you can see greater than Fireblast because it's 7. It's greater than 7, but its speed less than Pony because it is 8 and it will be less than Pony. Now I explain you what is rise and what is the run. Rise is means how much something goes up or down. Means how much goes up or down. This is a rise. This is a rise. It's a vertical change, up and down movement. For example, the speed changes from 0 to 60. In the Pony, 0 to 80. In the Fireblast, 0 to 70. In the Hummus, 0 to 60. This is the rise. So, rise is always final value to starting value, up and down changes. Run means how much something move across left to right. It's a horizontal change. It's a run. It's on x-axis and right on the y-axis because it's up and down. And x-axis means run on the horizontal chain left to right. So there is the run 0 to 10 seconds in the Pony and Hummus, but in the Pony and Fireblast, but in the Hummus, I explained you it sends 8 seconds. Now in the step 3, what we will do, we do the step slope formula, rise over run, change in speed over change in time. This is a rise. This is a rise, change in speed. This is a speed rise and change in time. This is a run. Slow, vertical change over the horizontal change. This is a vertical chain over horizontal chain. Now, example acceleration example we will do is Hermes car speed changes from 0 to 60 and the time changes from 0 to 8 seconds. So, write 60 over 8 divided by our answer is 7.5 and pony is the 8 and 5 glass is the 7. So, acceleration is 7.5 miles per hour per second. This means the car increases speed by 7.5 mph every second. So, there's easy way to remember. Imagine you are climbing stairs, going up the stair is rise and walking formula across the floor, it's a run. Slope tells you how steep the stairs are. Big rise, small run is equal to very steep and small rise, big run, not very steep. On a graph, if the line goes upward, positive change. If the line goes upward, if the line goes upward, there will be positive. If there a line goes downward, it will be negative. It will be negative change. So, if there is a flat, it will be zero slope. Now, slope is always change in y divided by change in x. That is change in y divided by change in x. So in most graph, y-axis is equal to vertical rise and x-axis is horizontal run. Today we will learn our portion can appear in different formats. Convert everything in the same format. Just like in the example number 1, example number 2. In the first in this example, pony and 5 glass in the graph. So firstly we convert in the numbers 8, 7 and but Hamid in the number. So it's a we convert in the numbers. They are converting the numbers and they are in the now they are in the same format. Usually numbers are easiest, so we convert them all in the numbers. With pony and 5 glass convert in the numbers. Hermes is already in the numbers. So then we compare. This method works for ratios, graphs, tables, and word problems. If this video helps you understand the proportion better, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications. And I will see you in the next math lessons. Keep practicing. Math is easy when you understand it. Bye everyone. Allah Hafiz.